Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Harvard University's ePay account. Let's get started. To log into your Harvard University's ePay account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Harvard University ePay login. So after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Billing Center Login. This is from Harvard University. From here what you can do is just tap on this right. After tapping on that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on Student and Staff. After tapping on that option, here you can see these two blanks. In first, what you can do is just enter your ID. In the second blank, you have to enter your PIN. After entering your following details, now what you can do is just tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your Harvard University's ePay account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.